Such a great question. Let's define shame and guilt. Shame is I am bad, guilt is I did something bad. These emotions are commonly felt in a high control religion like Mormonism. The reason for this is actually quite adaptive, because when you belong to a group that conditions for worthiness around what you wear, what you put in your body, our nervous system starts to figure out how to navigate the distress of that. So we might feel shame and guilt for not following those worthiness rules. Then let's talk about what happens when you leave. You'll feel the same shame and guilt for wearing clothing that doesn't meet the modesty standards you were programmed to believe in. Your nervous system remembers. And although you've maybe deconstructed and spent time away from the religion, your body still has that programming inside of it. So how do we hold space for it? How do we move through it? Oftentimes I get really curious about, how are you holding space for shame and guilt? Those are distressing emotions to feel, and oftentimes we can shove them down and not hold space for them. And I just want to say, they're valid emotions. They're emotions you're going to feel for the rest of your life in various settings. And so our capacity to feel them is what allows them to release and move through our system. So the next time you feel shame or the next time you feel guilt, can you be curious to it? Can you be open to it? I like to say becoming friends with it and getting to know it, because it really just showed up to keep you safe during that time in your life when you had a lot of distress around worthiness.